extended technical cleaning, and preventive maintenance of 20,000-watt Molequartz Solarspot lighting system. To maintain peak optical performance, ensure electrical safety, and extend the operational lifespan of the Molequartz Solarspot through a structured, multi-phase maintenance regimen. This protocol is designed for use in high-demand environments such as film studios, theaters, and industrial lighting applications. Applies to all 20,000 W Molequartz Solarspot units in active service. Includes physical inspection, cleaning, component testing, and documentation. Performed quarterly or after 500 operational hours, whichever comes first. Safety and power isolation. Confirm unit is powered down and disconnected from mains. Allow a minimum 45-minute cooldown period. Apply lockout, tag out devices, and verify zero voltage with the multimeter. Ensure workspace is dry, well lit, and ventilated. External housing and lens maintenance, dry dusting, use a soft brush to remove surface dust from housing, yoke, and lens bezel. Wet cleaning, dampen a lint-free cloth with optical grade cleaner. Wipe lens in concentric circles to avoid streaks. Inspection, check for lens etching, microfractures, or sealant degradation. Replace lens if optical clarity is compromised. Housing check, inspect for corrosion, paint bubbling, or impact damage. Touch up or replace panels as needed. Ventilation and cooling system, airflow pathways, use compressed air to clear intake, exhaust vents. Fan assembly, inspect for wobble, noise, or dust buildup. Lamp and reflector assembly, lamp removal, using insulated gloves, remove the quartz lamp. Avoid skin contact with the envelope, lamp evaluation. Check for blackening, arc tracking, or filament distortion. Log burn hours and replace if nearing end of life. Reflector cleaning, use optical wipes and a non-abrasive cleaner. Avoid pressure that could warp the parabolic surface. Reassembly, reinstall lamp with correct torque. Ensure reflector alignment is within plus or minus 1 of factory spec. Electrical system integrity, wiring inspection, examine for heat damage, discoloration, or brittle insulation. Terminal check, tighten all lugs and terminals to manufacturer torque specs. Grounding test, use an insulation tester to verify continuity and resistance to ground. Functional testing and calibration. Lux measurement. Use a calibrated lux meter at a fixed distance to verify output against baseline. Thermal profiling. Skin housing and lens with IR thermometer. Identify hotspots or uneven thermal distribution. Control interface. Test DMX or analog dimming response if applicable. Verify pan. Tilt motors for smooth operation. Documentation and reporting, logbook entry, record all findings, actions taken, and parts replaced. Include technician name, date, and unit serial number. Anomaly reporting, flag any deviations from spec for engineering review. Service tagging, affix updated maintenance tag with next service due date. Welcome to Bigfoot's grip and lighting section, where practical know-how meets dedication. We aren't experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.